Here we are. Alright, D-Banks here with a quick assembly video of the GTR racing desk. Show it to you real quick. This is the GTR Stand sit desk right here. Very nice. First thing you're going to want to do is familiarize yourself with all the parts. So the desk with the LED lights and everything is going to be here. Go around the outside edge of the table. The table connects via wooden dowels and two metal brackets. The connector is going to, the plug rather, is going to plug into the raise and lower mechanism underneath the side of the desk. Two plastic brackets that hold the lights in place. Then you have the motor that raises and lowers the desk. Two metal brackets that go on the side of the desk. The leg attaches to the legs. And there you have it. There's also a video that you can scan in order to see it. Familiarize yourself with the screws. Comes in a package like this here. Everything is labeled, and it even gives you some extra parts. Everything is labeled via letter. And then you start with your steps. Start with the main frame. Attach the metal brackets to the sides of the legs on both sides. Make sure that you do it first. Each leg is lettered. Then you attach the motor. The rods go through the plastic, through the metal motor, and then into each leg. You push each metal rod all the way into the plastic on each side, like this here. It connects to the side right here. You stretch it out to each side this way and that way until it fits. Until the metal rods, there's little nodules on the edge until it fits right there. And then you add the screws in order to keep it there. It goes through the motor. It's facing this way. The legs are labeled up. There we go, and left up. After that, like I said, you feed it through. Stretch it out. Put the screws in. Put the flat parts of the legs on. Then it'll stand up. Once it stood up, you put the two metal brackets on each side, like so, and then you connect the table together, put the brackets on. So that's where we are right now. So we're about to assemble the table and put the brackets together. Now once you've assembled the desk and added the brackets, you need to add the lights. And the lights go along the side right here. The LED lights with the C connection. And then you're going to use these plastic pieces, like these plastic clips, this, to hold the wire and keep it neat around here, all the way down around to this part right here. Once you've attached the LED light to the side of the desk, then the plastic cover goes on here. Holds everything in place, and then you use the small screws that are in here, not in the first accessory kit, but in this accessory kit, accessory packet 1. These little ones go in there, and you're going to do this for both sides of the desk. And for the final step,
fatal disease. You can't blame my client for the
use the screws, attach this, the control device, which raises and lowers the table, and then you connect the desk Can't see without the light. Next, you connect the desk to the metal frame. Very simple, very easy. Then you can plug it in and turn on your LED lights, download the app, and you are all set. Raises and lowers, very easy. Easy to set the program, just set your time, then hit S and then 1. Or not your time, your elevation, and that'll be that. Perfect. I'm up, son, but y'all wanted you to check this out. See the desk, right? Now check this. Automatic raise and lower joint. So you can stand up and do what you gotta do, or you could drop it back down. This table go high, Jack.
Perfect. Perfect.